Alright, we back. I told y'all in the other video, coolant hose was looking rough, so this is where it was at, but this is the problem we got. So this is the old one. This is the part I was talking about. So it should never look like that. So it was already starting to have a little hole right there. So got the new one, but the new one is too short. So going back to the store, we're gonna see if we can find another one that'll be the right length. Alright, back. Had to return that other hose. They didn't have anything this shape, this length or whatever. So got 3 feet of this 5/8 hose. So we're just gonna throw this on here, bend it where we need it, and cut it. So yeah, that's the plan. Go ahead, but yeah, so get this out. This still leaking or whatever. So let me use 2 hands, get this stuff going. Alright, I gotta start charging my phone before I do this stuff. But I got this part hooked up, so we're good there. I just gotta cut this end. Get to where you can see, there you go. So it's hooking up right there. So I just gotta cut this about right here. Give myself a little room to work with, but cut that. Let me go find a blade and charge this phone. So I'll bring y'all back once everything's connected. Again, just a heads up, I forgot to record the outro, but what I ended up getting was 3 feet of 5/8 inch heater hose. So that worked out fine. Used the same clamps from the original one, so that was all you needed. Well, all I needed. All right, so that's it. Next up, I got to tint these windows and a few other things I got to do, but yeah, I'll catch y'all in the next one.